Yes, now. Now.
Okay, Ramey, now, class, zoom in, Ramey. That's those arrow buttons. I want it up close. You got it up close?
Yes.
All right, good job. Scratch out, put a big X on the first page. We're not going to look at nothing on the first page. Turn it over.
Oh, that's my name.
What we're looking at today is table relationships. Writing equations when looking at tables. Now, when we did tables a while back, we brushed on it real good. I told you to think of something that we think of for other things also. What was it? When you ever see a table, when you always see a table, P, H, D. Because something is happening inside a table. Something is turning the first number into the second number. Something is turning the first number into the second number, or the second number is turning into the first number, depending on the question. When that is happening, we have to play how did. In other words, figure out how did this number turn into that number. Thank you very much. That number. We're trying to figure out what happened for this one to turn into that one. And that's our PhD thing. Play how did. And so, I want you, on the tax test or anytime you see a table, I want you to think, how did this table come about? How did the numbers turn into the other numbers? So, let's look here. We're looking at 9, which represents what?
Years. Sarah's age.
Sarah. Old Sarah. Now, if I circled it, that probably means you need to circle it. Sarah's 9. David is 3. Sarah's 9. David is 3. Then, when Sarah's 10, David is 4. When Sarah's 11, David is 5. And when Sarah's 12, David is 6. What is happening to Sarah compared to David? How does 9 turn into a 3?
Divide 3.
Divide by 3.
Divide 3.
Or, thank you, Vista, or minus 6. Two things can do it, right? Well, let's go down to the next number and see which one works. 10 divided by 3 gives me 4?
No.
Well, guess what? Is divide by 3 our how did?
No.
Nope. What about minus 6?
Yes.
Oh, Bob, look at that. All right. What about 11 to 5? Minus 6. What about 12 to 6?
Minus 6.
I'm thinking, what kind of math is happening here?
Subtraction.
Subtracting
6. Subtracting 6.
Subtracting
6.
6. Subtracting 6. And then you with me on that? You see that? So, Sarah minus 6 will equal who? David. Sarah minus 6 equals David. There is our equation that shows the relationship between Sarah and David. Can this be written a different way? Can we go this direction from David to Sarah?
Yes.
David's age and what math? Plus 6 will give us Sarah. Do we all agree with that?
Yes.
Are both of those true statements?
Yeah.
Now, what you have to understand is, on the tax test, it's multiple choice, isn't it? They're going to have 4 choices down there of these kind of problems. Look up there. Of these kind. You have to find the right equation that play how dids in that box. Okay? What if it does this? D equals S minus 6. Is that still the same thing?
Yes.
That's the same as this one, right?
Right.
What if they have S equals D plus 6? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, because it's the same as that one. I just flip-flop where the equal sign is. Is that okay? All right. Next box. Right here in the middle. Adam, piggy bank, Ed's piggy bank. When Adam has 20, Ed has 12. When Adam has 30, Ed has 22. When Adam has 40, Ed has 32. When Adam has 50, Ed has 42. What's happening to Adam? Huh? What's happening between Adam and Ed?
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Adam minus 8 gives me 12. Adam minus 8 gives me
22.
22. Adam minus 8 gives me 32. And Adam minus 8 gives me 42. So how can I write this? Adam minus 8
equals E.
equals
Ed.
Ed. Is everybody following? Mervin's not writing anything, so he and I are going to go outside in a minute and have a visit. Because whatever I'm writing, Mervin needs to be writing. Because that's how we learn in here. Mervin, we don't daydream. Good. Can we write it a different way?
Yes.
What can we write?
E.
Ed
M equals
Minus.
equals
Oh.
Adam minus 8. Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. Can we write it a different way?
Yes.
Yes.
How?
Ed
Plus 8 will give us Adam. Did I lose anybody on that one? Me and Vista. If you take Ed over here and add 8, we'll get Adam, won't we? Y'all get that?
Yes.
So it could be written that way. Now what's another way of writing that one? Carson? No. I'm rewriting this one again a different way. A equals
8 plus E.
E plus 8. Very good. Any of those choices is correct for this chart, right? All right. Scratch out this one right here. You scratched it out, how come? Because I don't like it. When I don't like it, we ain't looking at it. That gets me in trouble sometimes, but since nobody's in here to watch me, I can do that today. Talking about all right. What we got here? Pamela and Jenny's doing what? Pamela and Jenny doing what? Height for
3
3
years.
years. When Pamela's 36, Jenny's 33. When Pamela's 38, Jenny's 35. When Pamela's 40, Jenny's 37. Does anybody like Lyndon Harvey? So I'm asking Lyndon, do you see something happening here, Lyndon Harvey?
It's going up by 3.
Who's going up by 3? up by 3. Is that true? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3 on Jenny's.
No.
So,
No.
how can we write an equation for that? Pamela equals what? Jenny
Plus 3.
plus 3. Good job. Now, can I write it a different way for Pamela?
Yes.
What?
Minus 3. Minus 3.
Minus 3?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, minus 3. How would I write that one then? Jenny equals
Pamela minus 3.
Pamela
Minus 3.
minus 3. Is it getting a little easier?
Yes.
All right. Very good. You turn the page. Look at there. That's an assignment we're going to do in a little bit. Turn the page again. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Here's another table thing. What did I mark out?
Types, units.
The height, because you know what? You know what? You're not going to see one of the 3. I'll do 100 push-ups if you see a chart on the tax test that has 3 deals of numbers.
I don't have that.
Help him out there, Graham Moon. So what were you telling me there, Linda? You said I do have it, right? Good job, buddy. It's page 45. We got 3 turning into 15. We got 4 turning into 20. We got 5 turning into 25. We got 6 turning into 30. What be happening, play how it is?
Times 5.
Times 5. So would y'all write times 5 on every one of those, please? Look at that. Times 5, times 5, times 5, times 5. So I can put area equals what?
Base.
5 times
5. Oh.
base. Right?
Yes.
Now, friends, how else can we show this exact thing but without the times sign in there? It makes it look more mathematics. I'm going to go with Lexi. No. You're right. If I want to divide the area by 5. No. I'm talking about exactly this, but without a multiply sign. I could use a dot, but they'll use something even more fancier than that. What do I call it? Oh, somebody said, slam them together. A equals 5 slammed right up against OB right there. Now I'm going to throw you a curveball. Some eyeballs up there on the thing. Watch. What if they have another box like this, and they have an N in there and a question mark there, and they want to know the formula? N is now the B part, isn't it? So instead of 5 times B, they're going to have 5 slammed against N. Can I throw that curveball at you?
Yeah.
It's still the same thing. N is in the B column, the base column. So instead of B, they may put an answer choice with an N in there because of the N in the choice there. Okay? That didn't hurt you, did it?
No.
GW, you okay with that? What about Jax the Max?
Good.
Good. Okay. Were we going to do this one? Yes. 3 turns into 1, 4 turns into 2, 5 turns into 3, 6 turns into 4. What's happening?
Minus 2. Minus
You're
2.
saying minus? Okay.
2.
How does 3 turn into a 1?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Does it work on the second one?
Yes.
Bingo! Put minus 2 on all of them. So, what is our math algebra looking equation thing looking thing?
Minus 2.
Triangle equals number of sides minus
2.
2. N minus 2. How hard was that, y'all?
Not hard.
Not hard. Turn the page over. We're not looking at this topping up there. No, 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 no. Okay? This, quick check 2, is what it's going to look like on the tax test. How do you know it's going to look like that on the tax test? Not supposed to be looking up at the board. Don't look at yours.
The word problem. Because it has
I put
answers.
answer choices up there, didn't I? So guess what you're going to take 30 seconds to do right now?
Put answer choices.
Off there to the side. Alrighty. How does 1 turn into 1
Times 1.
plus 0, right?
Oh.
But guess what? Is 2 plus 0 5?
No.
Is 3 plus 0 9?
No.
Is 4 plus 0
No.
13? So I guess it's not plus 0, is it?
No.
This looks like it's going to be one of those hard ones, isn't it? But friends and loved ones and the rest of you that hate me, I have the answer choices, correct?
Yes.
Right?
Correct.
You and me, we already got the answer choices. One of these has to be correct. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
There's got to be a correct answer in the answer choices. So, when this is the case, and you can't do play howdy, I can't do it either, y'all. I don't know what it is. I'm with you on this. Plug this into the problem and see which one gives us the answer. So put a 1 right there for n. What is 2 times 1?
2.
Okay, hang on. Someone's banging and stuff. Let's try it again. What's 2 times 1?
2.
2 plus 4 is 6. Is that what we got right here, a 6?
No.
So answer choice A cannot be it. Are you with me on the second way how to work these if you have the answer choices available?
Yes.
With me? Okay. Put a 1 right there. What's 3 times 1?
3.
3. Is that a 3 right there?
No.
Bam. Can't be the answer choice. You with me so far?
Yes.
Okay. Let's put a 1 right here. What's 4 times 1?
4.
4 minus 3.
1.
Ooh. Hey. Is it looking good?
Yes.
All right, let's try the next number on the same one. Put a 2 there. What's 4 times 2? 4 times 2.
8.
8 minus 3.
5.
Is that what we get?
Yes.
Oh, baby. I'm liking it. Put a 3 in here, the next number in our list. 4 times 3. 12 minus 3.
9.
Can I stop, you think?
Yes.
I'm thinking C is the answer. What about you?
Yes.
Alrighty? Put 4 in here. 1 there. What's 3 times 1? Sorry.
3,
3 plus 1?
4.
Is that a 4?
No.
Can't be the answer. How y'all like that? Do you see now, this one was too hard to PhD.
Yes.
Too hard. Jackson's too hard to PhD. But I had my answer choices, so let's plug these in and see which one works right to get me the second number. Okay, you turn the page, guess what you're going to do on that page? You're going to work those. Turn the page again. 46. 46. Let's go to example 1 here in the middle. You ready? How does 1 turn into 65, 2 turn into 130, 3 turn into 195, 4 turn into 260? Those are big old numbers. How does 1 turn into 65, y'all? Plus 64, but if I plus 64 there, do we get 130?
No.
Can't be that. Maybe it's a little bit something else.
Times 64.
How about times 65? What is 2 times 65?
30.
Whoa! So guess what it is?
Times 65.
D equals
Times 65.
65 slammed against T.
T.
That one we could PhD. We didn't have to have answer choices, did we?
No.
All okay with me on that?
Yes.
All right. Let's look at this quick check right here. Old Malcolm earned $6 an hour doing yard work. Write an equation that makes Malcolm earn E, number of hours he works W. Bam, bam. Now, let's don't talk about Malcolm. Let's talk about old Cason, because he does mow yards. He charges me $6 an hour. Let's say he works 4 hours on my yard. How much do I owe him? How did you get 24? You times it. So guess what our math equation is going to be? Multiplication, right?
Right.
Times what? $6, right? Now, according to the problem, which letter am I going to use? W, because that's the number of hours he works W. So 6 times W equals E. Now, let's make that look more math. E equals
6 slammed,
6
slammed against W.
slammed against W. How about that? Y'all okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Merv, you alright with that? What about Mark's book? Are you okay with that, Marks? Yes. Alright. Alright, what about old Sandra reading 27 pages of a novel? Write an equation that relates the number of hours she reads H to the number of pages she reads R. Now, this is Vista. Vista is reading 27 pages every hour. Let's say she reads for 2 hours. How many pages has she read?
54.
How'd you get 54?
Times
Multiplied
2.
however many hours times,
2.
not 2,
24.
27. So we're timesing times the 27. And what's the hours?
2.
No.
Oh.
That's just one I made up. We got to look at the story. H and R is what? But let's make it look more math. More algebra.
27 slammed against H.
27 slammed against H. Those were a little bit tougher there, Landon, Bandon, and Burby, Hardy. Did you get it? All right. Turn it back. We're not going to do the top one. We'll go straight to this. Jack's swimming pool has 20 gallons of water. It already has what?
20 gallons.
20 gallons. Already has How much is already in the pool, y'all?
20 gallons.
So we already have plus 20 in there, don't we?
Yes.
If it's starting off with stuff, it's already plus something. Okay? Now how much is going in there?
5 gallons per minute.
5 more gallons. So, but is it just 5 more gallons and then it's over?
No.
No, it's every minute. Do we know how many minutes?
No.
So why don't we use minutes usually stands what letter? M. So 5 times however many minutes we got it going, and that will equal the total number of gallons. Now that looked hard, didn't it? But it really wasn't, because Jack already started with 20, and then he started putting 5 gallons every minute he had the hose going. And we don't know how many, so we multiply. Alright? Oh, Madeline's reading the book. She starts already on page 60. She's going to read 25 pages per hour. Is she already in the book? How far is she already in the book?
20.
So what are you going to write down?
60.
Put down plus 60. It's already 60. Good job, y'all. Now, is that all she's going to read?
No.
What else she going to read?
25.
25 pages. Is that all she's going to read is 25?
No.